Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9104XA. Only 52,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. Silverado is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 6 with a cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Soft tonneau cover. Locking tailgate. Backup camera. And trailering package. The backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in a perfect driving position, integrated trailer brake control, and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, you can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger with even more storage below. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's material inside. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3-liter V-8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Silverado, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.